Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the password for PlayStation Store purchases. So if you're trying to buy something and there's a password that keeps popping up, well, we can go up to Settings and select it over there. Then go on down to Account Management and select this. And then go to Account Information. And then it's going to say, please wait. And after about 5 to 10 seconds, it should load into the screen. Then go on down to Wallet. Change your payment methods and purchase settings, including the password requirement for purchases. So let's go to Wallet, then go on down to Purchase Settings, fund your wallet automatically and require a password for purchases. Then it's going to say please wait and load to this screen, and then the top option we want to select and go to No. Require password for purchases. Then go on down to Confirm. And then the password will be completely turned off for PlayStation Store purchases. So you will no longer have to type that in. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.